Hi there, this is my Leatherman PST multi-tool. I've owned it for around 30 years. Most days I take it to work, and when outdoors I also use it as well. It came in an original leather sheath. I've since upgraded to a nylon sheath that has room for bits and also a bit driver, and I've since added a wearer quarter drive ratchet. The tool itself, on the outside, it has graduations for metric and imperial markings, and its main function is as a set of pliers, where it's got a needle nose and also general pliers and wire cutters. The tools themselves are on the inside of the handles when closed, so it can only be accessed when it's opened or when it's in plier mode. One of the biggest tools that the Leatherman has is a knife that has a straight blade and also a graduated blade. And the next biggest tool is file, which has got a coarse side and a fine side. On this side of the tool there's a small flat screwdriver, a small posi-drive screwdriver, and also a tin opener. On the side with the knife there's a large flat screwdriver and a small flat screwdriver. The scissors can only be actuated when they're fully opened and in the locking position. Just close these. You actually use the locking mechanism on the back of the knife as a spring for the scissors. So it's probably a better design than, say, the Victorinox, which has a separate spring. Quite stiff, that flops back in. With the nylon sheath, you get a set of bits. These are the original Leatherman bits. They're fully formed, not like the new ones. The new ones are sort of only half formed. So these are actual quarter drive bits. The bit driver itself is able to lock in 3 positions by the spring-loaded ferrule. It's 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees open. It's inserted into the pliers by opening it, and that locking tab there goes into the right raised part of the handle, and that's how it's held in place. So you can then use it as a ratchet, a wrench, or you can change the bit, put a screwdriver bit into it and use it as a screwdriver. It's quite a versatile tool. The ratchet that I've added at a later stage is a wearer ratchet. It's quarter drive itself, and it can utilise the Leatherman bits as well. As I said at the start, it's more for occasional use. It's not to replace a full toolbox of tools, just occasional use and emergency use. I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it informative, and I'll see you on the next one.